Hello, welcome to my 21 days Healing Everywhere, 21 meditations and insights about healing that everyone everywhere can try at home to connect to a frequency of calmness, joy, and happiness. Healing is my way of life, and I've decided that in this period I will share some of it in a very simple way that every person can try it and connect to the inner healing power and wisdom that we all have. So today meditation is a very simple one. My recommendation is to do it in front of a mirror anywhere in the house. And in this meditation, we look in ourselves' eyes, we look in the eyes and we breathe. And when we look in the eyes and we breathe, we just feel our feet, our pelvis, our back, our hands. And we look in the eyes and breathe and feel the entire body, and that's it. We don't do anything. The most important thing about meditation, any kind of meditation, is to live out of it any kind of expectation that I have towards the meditation, to feel something, to know something, to get to somewhere. Meditation is the inner space that one can meet when there is no expectations. And all the techniques are not the meditation itself, but just a way to meet myself. So enjoy day 3 meditation. I hope you will enjoy it. Please share your thoughts and questions. I'm open. Thank you.